Today I'm going to give a demonstration of how sedimentary rock is formed. First of all, the rock starts out as a mountain or a big rock. Use your imagination here, it's a bit dodgy. Natural or sometimes forces of man ride away at the rock or mountain, and the bits of rock get washed away into a stream or creek along with any dead plant or animal life that may get caught in the way. Use your imagination here, these are Maltesers, but you can pretend there's something else. The bits of rock and organic life find a place to settle, often at the bottom of a slow-moving creek or river. And while they're there, they're called sediment. And over time, all the sediment settles. The bigger bits settle near the top, and the smaller bits fall in between the gaps and settle near the bottom. There's 3 ways I can think of to demonstrate this. Number 1 is to leave this all here and come back in a few 100,000 years or so. This will give us the most accurate result, but by that time, all the good stuff in here will have rotted away, and this video does have a due date that will not be met if this is delivered after a few thousand years. Option 2 is you can use the force to sift the layers. It would be a great idea, but even though I have the t-shirt, I am no Jedi. Option 3 is we just shake the life out of the tray and cause the mother of all simulated earthquakes. It'll work great, so that's what we'll do. It started to happen here, so you can't see it so good. But in real life, all the layers settle and they form stripes called strata. You can see these really well in places where a cliff made of sedimentary rock has worn away. Here are some great examples.
The Grand Canyon in the USA, in Arizona, or the Painted Desert, which is also in Arizona in the USA. Arizona guys must love sedimentary rocks. Skip over a bit and you can go to Utah, which houses the Monument Valley. If you want something a little closer to home, you can download the game Minecraft. The game naturally generates what it calls a mesa biome, and you end up with blocky sedimentary cliffs with all the layers visible and stripes. They're a great example of what we're looking for.
Anyway, the millions of tiny bits of rock are eventually turned into a single rock by intense pressure of all the layers above it. This process is called lithification. Fluids are squeezed out, and the fossils of any included plant or animal life. Here we have a dragon, can be set in between the layers there. It's a Night Fury, straight from the sets of How to Train Your Dragon 3. So sometimes if there's large deposits of animal or plant-like matter in the layers, the organic material can rot away and form carbon, from which we can get coal, oil, natural gas and petroleum. Can't quite generate enough pressure here to squish all the stuff here into rock. But I have the next best thing. Okay, go. I have, wait for it. This may take a second, this is kind of warm still. Do 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 do. Da 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 do do. Insert random music here. I have chocolates. So we tip the chocolate all over our sedimentary rock, and it will get hard, kind of like a real sedimentary rock. After many thousands of years, we have returned to the site of our sedimentary conglomerate rock. It's so hard, kind of like a real rock. It's so hard that we are going to need our diamond-edged rock cutter to cut it. Okay, this is a kitchen knife, use your imagination. And let's get started. That's hard. Okay, this could take a while because this is super hard, especially that bit. So I've got some strange rocky facts about sedimentary rocks that I've dug up on the internet. So in the TV series of How to Train Your Dragon, the dragon species Gronkle seems to have an unusual liking for sedimentary rocks, probably because of the flavours in it. Well, the stripes are supposed to be a different flavour, except that limestone makes them sick everywhere, which is not good at all. Sedimentary rocks are also the most common rock on the surface of the Earth, even though they're not the most common in the entire Earth. That would be metamorphic rock. think I've almost got it. And I think that's it. Yes, I have got it. As you can see, it's a little messed up here, but it's all formed into layers. So you've got the smaller bits down the bottom here, and the bigger bits up the top, but it's all settled through. Sort of form stripes. Now I have a lot of rock here, and I cannot eat this much rock. But I do know that dragons like to eat rock. So I decided we can throw a party for our Night Fury. And for the Gronkle that lives around the corner. Here you go, guys. Eat up!